morning, guys. We're here in Isla's house. Did you dream about your money machine or coin machine last night?
No.
I heard you at 3 in the morning. You were crying. Si Michelle nagluluto na. Alo's also awake, but Alo's crying. No?
I woke up.
And we will talk about induction. So, I will look the earliest we can get. Kung pwede tonight, guys. Or bukas, we'll see.
Hindi pwede ngayon kasi busy si Dan.
Busy si Dan.
Please tuloy. Sabi pa niya, tomorrow is not a good day for me. Wow. Pero dili lang ka ng munggos.
Depende if you're still here for dinner.
Kaya ka munggos, te. Masakit ang tiil.
Ayaw rin. Depende if you're still here for dinner.
Lagi? Ay, kaya naman siguro na ko, schedule unya gabi eh. Uya sa midwife eh, gabi eh, na po siya schedule.
Ay, dili. Yun na.
Ugma sa...
Siya, ayun na naman yung abot niya. Dili na ka, para matulog na ka.
Siya gusto niya niya diha.
Katulog na diha ko.
May mga anak ka lang kausapin.
Oo, pero dili lang siguro late ka ayo.
Ganito.
Tea, akong tea. Raspberry leaf tea.
Nakatawa pa. What do you want? Kain tayo.
I want to that milk tea.
How later? It's too early. It's still
Milk tea
morning.
again. We had milk tea yesterday. Hello. Morning.
In the
Morning.
afternoon.
Hello.
We'll get milk tea in the afternoon.
What are they doing upstairs?
I think they're going to check on mommy's belly.
Why are they not doing upstairs anymore?
Indy's overstaying.
Because they have to have mommy lie down. So they need a bed.
And I think we're too noisy too. Who's that?
But I know
Meron tayong itlog.
But I know.
Yeah.
But
Hot
mommy,
dog.
I thought mommy don't play hide and seek.
La.
After the midwife, we will play hide and seek.
Meron tayong beef tapa.
Yeah. We don't play a different hide and seek.
What kind of hide and seek?
Under the bed hide and
What?
seek.
Under the bed? Is that possible?
No.
You don't sit under the bed.
I sit under the bed.
You do?
But I don't do this.
You just crawl under the bed?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Mister.
And
Kamusta naman kaya
I felt
Mr. Arlo?
like this.
Mr. Arlo, eat your rice.
No,
Make you stronger.
Happy ka sa isang hotdog ko?
Hot? Blow.
Where did your hotdog go?
Good job, Ate Ayla.
I thought it fell on the floor.
Good
You
job.
finish it? Okay, very good.
What happened? Very good, Ate Ayla. Oh,
I
nakakain na naman.
I don't like this.
You don't like the egg?
I like this.
Okay.
I think
Eat more hot dog. Mine big hot dog. I'm finished though. Rice.
How about rice?
oh, it's only tiny for you. I think I was done it for you.
I want the big hot dog.
No, I.
You want to
Not a
watch
tiny
Halloween?
one.
What do
Oh,
you
I
want
do
to watch?
rice.
Halloween?
Halloween.
Halloween. Okay, we watch Halloween. Okay, eat rice first. Eat rice first.
I like it.
You don't like it, Carol.
After eating benta.
Good coffee.
Hello guys! Fresh tayo, nakaligo tayo Me and Michelle, we're heading to the grocery. Very quick grocery lang to guys. Nag-ano si ate kanina, nag-midwife appointment siya. Yun nga, overdue na si Indy. Hindi pa din lumalabas si Indy. So may ginawa silang, what was that, Day? Itong sweep? Membrane sweep na medyo masakit yung likod ni ate after ng procedure na yun. And yun nga, mag-grocery muna kami. Then after nito, siguro igala natin yung kids sa playground. Kasi ready na sila. Actually, nag-change na sila ng clothes. Pero mas okay kasi na mag-grocery muna kami. Just in case mga anak si ate, at least nakapag-grocery na kami. Yun. Next, lagi niya diri ay. Walking. Kaligis ng gamit diri.
Hinganan ko siguro nakaligis siya.
Dito na kami sa Asian store. Sama na yung gipangita first. Grabe, sobrang sarap ng mangga, oh.
Nah, oyster kayo.
Oh, nayon. Pagkaon na good. Behave!
Para naman talaga tagal na wala. Hala! What's that?
You get one!
I got one too.
You get one!
What is it? Ooh!
Open. Wait.
Here you go, Alo!
Here you go!
Jelly.
Here you go! A jelly one.
Alo, how about this one?
Yeah, chocolate.
Uy,
Chocolate.
na, uy. As in.
I want this.
Is it good?
You want this one?
As in.
Yeah.
Kulit na good. Sige, cut.
Here.
Cut, Tita Michelle. It's wiggly. Come on, eat. That's jelly!
Yes.
Wee! That's yummy! Hindi siya ganyan sa consistency. It's a jelly.
Chocolate. Hello.
Mga batang kanina pa nag-aano tayo para makapunta sa playground. Tapos parang ulan pa.
Yummy.
But buy with turtle chips. Unboxing tayo pa ulit. Dala ko naman na ako dahil. Atong drinks! Uy, ito natuwan. Ang bula.
Yummy, Alo? What do you say to Tita?
Wait, what do you say? Yung drink namin is watermelon.
Watermelon akin. Thank you.
And then, akin, blueberry. First time natin i-try blueberry. Ano itong sa'yo, Day?
Mangga.
Mangga. Eto, sige.
Walk na.
Uulan ba?
Murag mo ulan. Look ka rin kung maglakaw ulan. Basta mo ulan.
27 minutes.
Ayaw na lang, Day. Kaya mo sa akong giting. Kaya maglakaw rin ito. Nya, uwan na dyan, te. Tantod.
Well, it says it will rain in 27 minutes.
Wee.
Ay, sindog niya nakaboy ba? Wala ko kaki.
Ano ba ito? Ano ba sinanap ng sati?
Halos taas eh.
I know.
Oh, mo.
Ginahin ko sa kulit sa Erlo.
What do you say?
Ambay mo, be. Tinapa kay Turon?
Yes.
Magturon ka.
Ano?
Snacks.
Yeah.
Sige, magturon ka, Day. Guys, lagay na namin yung mostly sa mga pinamili natin sa fridge. So, i-haul ko na lang yung iba. Alam niyo ba, naghahanap kami ng malunggay para sa aming tinolang manok. Wala talagang malunggay, guys. So, yung ginawa namin ni Michelle, bumili lang kami ng alugbati. Hindi namin alam kung ito ba yung magandang alternative. Tinolang manok. So, yun yung problema namin kanina. Wala talaga silang walang malunggay. Kahit frozen malunggay, wala. Tapos, ayan, papaya. And yung mangga, guys. May nakita akong mangga kanina. Alam nyo ba ito? $8 yung isa. Diyos ko, Lord, ang mahal yan.
Sa fence?
And ito yung ating blueberry drink. Kain tayo, Turon.
Turon, yeah.
Turon, it's Turon, boy.
Want turon?
It's hot, Turon.
Triceratops. You win?
Okay.
It's good.
Truck. Cut them.
Wala inyo gipakaon?
Come on. You watch from here.
Why?
Because you won't be seeing them out in the top.
Why?
They're here on the bottom. Fish, are you dead? Are you alone?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
You're my best friend.
Oh, is that your best friend? What's the name of your best friend?
Lucas.
Huh?
That's Lucas.
Lucas? Lucas.
Yeah, Lucas.
And that's your best friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does
He's the only one left.
He can so fast.
Hmm? Is he sick though?
Bisim kay buntis mo pang
Yeah.
Daddy.
The white one is sick.
The white one.
It's very weak. The white one.
It's very
The
weak.
white one.
That's why it died. He didn't drown?
What? Ano yung method?
Hala. Kasama. This is what we made, the House of Isla.
Don't ruin, okay?
Ah! Tinola.
Do you think this time maka-breastfeed ka?
Blue. So good. Kulangan man dito.
Oh.
My goodness,
So that's why she said like, it
kain.
has to be 7 days after. Because I think she's confident that I'm gonna...
Come before then.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
Garaan mo, Ate Ayla eh.
Anak ko nakatayo.
What's that day?
Matis. Lemon.
Her son's birthday is on the 28th. So, yeah, she said he's going to the grand finals.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, but he's a Hawks supporter.
Hawks?
Yeah, so I think he's just going just to watch it.
Yeah, that's
For his
He
birthday.
got some birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, not really.
Want a little bit?
Baba. You finished the hot dog? Do you want more? Hot dog?
There's more, boy.
Guys.
Rice, yeah. Eat rice. Good boy.
That's the famous all my
mainit pa.
wine.
Yes, please. Thank you, ate.
I like
Alam mo na, Ogates? They were gonna go to the park today, but that didn't happen because that's yours.
Is it not raining?
Drizzled.
It was. Well, the weather app says raining, but it didn't look like it wasn't heavy, but still not good to go out.
Why?
You don't want to get rained on.
You can try again tomorrow.
Lahi na sa glasa.
Yeah, dili. Oo, lahat siya lasa na siya lasang halubak.
Guys, anong petsa na? Mag-aalas 2 na siguro. Hindi pa din nanganganak si ate. Akala namin na manganganak na siya tonight, pero hindi. Baka bukas. Let's hope na bukas. Anyway, yung ginawa naman namin, nag-movie lang kami. Ako, nag-watch ako ng series. Tapos mga bata, very early kasi sila natulog ngayon. Si Arlo walang nap. Si Ayla naman, school sa bukas. So, yung mga 8:45, dapat ready na siya. So, very early naman silang natulog. So, hindi kami masyado nakapaglaro. I'm just gonna change into pantulog natin. And tulog na tayo. Tomorrow is another day. And tomorrow is gonna be bonding day. Good night!